Right. Hey everyone. We're gonna continue today with the Twilio stuff. It's actually really cool. What we did yesterday is we created this capture screen section on the website, and then I can click capture screen. And this is like using Chrome, and this show me two screens. You can actually you can even limit it to one of the windows that you have, or like a Chrome tab. So this is actually very nice, and I think it also works with Firefox, like the new Firefox. So we can maybe share like an entire screen and then hit save. And you can see here that like when I move my mouse, you would see it in here, kind of things. So yeah, and then the idea here is to do like remote kind of rubber ducking. Oh yo, hi Will, how's it going? So the idea is, yeah, right now I'm sharing my screen with maybe someone else somewhere in the world, and then I'm showing them my project, and then they try to help me. Okay, they say, hey, how about you refactor some of this stuff, or like move this code somewhere else, and probably it could be better if you could refactor it in a different way, and so on. So that's the idea. And right now using like the, what is it, the API. So I'm using Twilio's what is it? I'm using Twilio video. That's the library, the SDK I'm using for that. And then now we will have like this track, and then we can stream it to other people, and other people can join the same room, and then they can see your screen. So next time when I like have maybe let's say, okay, this is a new user right here, and then I can like when I join, I will see this video, and then I can join some sessions. All right, so that's what we will try to do. And today I'll probably, I don't know, let's see how this thing works. And by the way, Chrome also will give you this stop sharing UI, but also we created a capture, like stop capture right here, also like a function to stop the capture, and then we can start it again. And this is actually really cool. And this is, by the way, it's like some native API used in the browsers. Chrome and Firefox is supporting that, and I think it's the user media API. And then probably the new Edge will automatically support that because they use the same rendering engine, and I think Safari now also supports that. The way it was done before, Twilio had this, but it would require you to create also an extension to extend the, because extension will have like more access to kind of the to more APIs and more native APIs. And is it zoomed in? Yeah, maybe let's reset. Okay, so it was zoomed in. Anyway, and now since the new Chrome, since Chrome 73 and up, you can do all the screen capturing stuff entirely in the browser, and this is how it works. You can see here. I don't know about why this section is kind of trimmed or something, but I'm not sure. Like this part here. Anyway, so we stop the capture, and if we check the code again, how we've done all of that is we create this screen track, and then we give it like the height and then the width, And then this is the ref object, and then we attach this screen track. We attach this video to the screen track so we can see it right here. And here is like we have the UI. And if we go to our helper or utils, this is actually what we need to do. And this is actually like navigator.mediadevices.get this display media. This is an actual like browser API. So that's what we are actually using, and this will return like a promise, and this is like at the end here will return this video.local video track. So that's that. Now maybe we can remove these comments, we don't need them. Okay, so let's take a look at some more Twilio documentations and like how to share like screens between users. So let's say, okay, Twilio, I think it's a screen sharing or something, or screen capture JavaScript. I think there's an example app somewhere. Let's see. All right, so there's this one right here. Go start application, what you need. Yeah, we don't need this Chrome extension anymore, so that's something we can do. What about this? Okay, so we don't need all these extension IDs. Yeah, and then we get this screen track, and then yeah, there's these active rooms, and then we can publish the screen and then add the video. Start application again if you want to test, and Firefox requires. Okay. Yeah, maybe let's check the repository in here and then can get it from there. So we go to Chrome stuff and see. So these are like the videos, and then the extension. Advent, click. I'm not sure if this is like the whole thing. Let's see. Yeah, there's this video chat. Okay, so it's an entire app. We need this server stuff to add to the Twilio. Okay. Then src index.js. Okay, this is all checking. Attach tracks. So for each one, we will append child. Okay. Participant, attach track. Okay. And this is when we detach a token identity ID. Yeah, so this is where we need to create some rooms on Twilio. Let's see. Identity, square.identity, create an access token which we will sign and return. Yeah. And then video grant, and then add this grant, and then we send this response. All right, so let's go to Twilio, I guess. Oh, where was it? Screen capture Chrome. Checking support. Like getting the user screen. So we have this already. Button, share screen, and function. We have this track. But where's this active room? Weird, I can't see this active room anywhere. Maybe let's follow bit the code. Yeah, this is like express, blah, blah, blah. And then this token. Is this, yeah, so maybe we will take this stuff later on. So this is running a server. Okay, maybe we can do video chat serverless Twilio, because I think they have like this Twilio function now. With Twilio from, yeah, this is from Jason's course. It's really great. If you want to check it out on Egghead, it's about building a chat app with Twilio and Gatsby, and that's actually what we want to do. And I'm interested in probably, where is it? I'm not even logged in, so I'll check later. How to send text messages with a chat app with Twilio. Okay, this is like new kind of. Okay, set up React and Node.js, blah, blah, blah. Set up React and Node.js. To develop this application, we need some knowledge of React.js, blah, blah, blah. If you do not have Twilio account, sign up. The Twilio account, it can be found in your project dashboard. All right, we then create an API key in the programmable video section. If you experience any issue, blah, blah, blah. Twilio React for HTTP setup. Okay, we start by setting up our key, secret, and env variable based on env template file and GitHub repo. No. Do not push. No. Let's make our .env file at the following. All right. So I'm gonna just grab this out of the window and then open the environment. The .env. Just looking for my weird, I can't find the .m file. All right, so probably let's bring the code back in here, and then I will. Oh, great. And then here, let me paste in some new stuff. And let me go to the Twilio console and then get it out of the way. I will need to authenticate. Yep, that's that. And this is what we want to do. Want to go to this, to the console. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna start copying some stuff around. And Twilio API key. Key type standard. Programmable video. Yeah, programmable video. And okay, I'll go to API credentials. Key type. Okay, so I need to go, tools, and then API keys, and create an API key, okay. And this will be rubber goose, and then I guess it's gonna be standard. Okay, so this is the seed account, and this is the secret. And what else? And where is this API key again? Okay, interesting. It's yeah, they have like different namings for different things. It's yeah, okay. So the account is this, the secret is this, and then the node dev is that. All right, so I'll close that. So we have these things set up. We need to set up our server to generate token that can be sent to Twilio client. Twilio will then use the token to grant access to the client, blah, blah. Why do I need to? I think there's a way to create some serverless. Where is it? Programmable video. Okay, let me show you this. So we're in this programmable video, and then here, like in tools, so Node.js, this is you generate an access token via helper library. Okay, Twilio, and then access token video grant. So I think probably we could create an access token and then set the identity of this token. Identity, example user. Grant access to video, room, and then serialize the token, and then so maybe in here we could probably use generate access token, client identity. We could also generate stuff, or we can have this in a Netlify function. Or I think they have also like serverless stuff. Or Twilio functions. Programmable wireless, something. Video. I'm struggling with Authy engagement cloud. Here, functions. So we can create a function. This will be hello SM, like maybe programmable. Where's video? Chat, voice, runtime. Okay. Hello SMS, simple menu, conference, sync access token, mint access token, app, contact us, programmable chat token. Okay, let's maybe start with something blank. Yeah, okay. And then we go to something. Okay, separate page. Programmable video. Tools. And then here, Node.js. So maybe if we take this, so we have the Twilio already, the Twilio stuff. I think it's Twilio Twimin. So we don't need to require this Twilio. It's gonna be this, I guess. And then we have this video grant. We don't need this part. Let's see. Now we need these stuff, and then this is the token. And I guess the identity, the room name, and then to JWT. Let's see. And then I guess here this will be JWT. This is like the room, cold room name. And these stuff, I guess they are from, you can get them from process, not env, dot this, and then this also will be the SID and okay. Auth or something. Maybe let's name it. I hit save. Function is now deploying. Let's wait. Or it's deployed successfully. Enable, yeah, and then auth token in there. We will have these dependencies, and I think we can add more. So this will be, okay, account SID, auth token. Well, if you do, so we'll return an initial REST, blah, 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 something. Twilio account SID and auth token available as environment variable function. So if we save here, maybe if we do Twilio functions generate JWT token. I'm sure there's somewhere. Okay, there's this video. I'm not sure that, like, here it's saying, okay, will give me the account ID and then the auth token. But apparently I need more stuff. An API deployment function asset now available. Like auth function, just to, yeah, the secret, SID, and then account, set the Twilio, New access token. I'm not sure about this access token right here. Let's see if this is okay. Let's see. Have postman, then try it out. Come on, I don't want to. I don't want to sign in right now. Okay. Give me postman. All right. New request. Twilio auth. Why description is I don't. All of this pain to just paste in a URL. Not this one. Okay. I guess this will expect to be like post, send request. You are not authenticated to perform this request. Okay. How am I supposed to be authenticated in here? Because I wanna. Where was it that we can actually generate a token from something else? So this one is cool room, and then we can generate a token. Let's go to generate a token. I wanna just go to GitHub, to JSON's GitHub, and then name stuff. Is there like a Twilio thing? So I'm sure he has like some Twilio stuff. I want to steal the code from. Okay, let's go to the repository. Twilio Gatsby video chat. Yep, this is the function that we need to do right here. Yeah. Where's our manage? Where's our function? Yeah, auth function. And for this, we need this function. Create serverless function in Twilio. maybe, yeah, we can name it like create room token just for completeness. Yep. And then this is create room token. Let's hit save. Right. Save the function. Why could it be this? Make API key and secret. Navigate to configuration section. Check the box. Enable account. Blah blah blah. Add the environment called API key. Okay. And then API secret. So in here, when we go configure, we enable this stuff, and then we need to add API key. And what's the other one? API secret that we already generated, but I'm gonna take this off screen again. Sorry about that, but I don't wanna like show and we have code right here. Let me all right. So let me get the API key and then paste it here, and then the API secret that I will paste here and then hit save. Okay, you now should be able to, yeah, you can't see what I pasted here, but yeah, you get the idea. All right, so this is the function, and let's go see what's in the code. So we have these hooks. Use Twilio. Use context reducer. Blah blah blah. Reducer. Yeah, so we need to have these stuff like to join, active, and disconnect. This is where we create the video. Okay, video context, and we wrap everything in here. Wrap root element. And then this is where we create the identity. I think we will end up using this hook most of the time. Let me see. I think also in Gatsby browser, what we're doing is, yeah, we wrap this element with this stuff. So I'm gonna steal this again, because the concept of doing the rooms and stuff, it's the same. We will add just the screen capture part of things. So that will go inside of hooks, and this will be use Twilio video JS. And then in our browser, here we need to wrap these elements. what's the exported thing? So we export this. Yeah, we can actually Twilio provider. Yeah, we can import Twilio provider from here. And what we're gonna do is import Twilio provider from src hooks, and then use Twilio video, and we will wrap everything in there. Instead of Twilio provider. Something is failing, action is not defined, T is not defined. Where is it? Did I? Okay, action is not defined. Instead of so an expression. Where is this action again? Reducer. What? Ah, okay. What is that? What else did it? Did we fail at? 33. What are you talking about? Action is here. Ah. Okay, actually it's a typo. No, it was not. I know, my bad. Like I think I did somehow was a typo. Okay, so we have that, we have the provider. So now what we need to do is use some of this stuff. No, I don't want to see workflows. Come on. I want to go to SRC components. So we have the video display right here. We need, probably we don't need this use effect like the room ID and stuff. And before unload, leave room, and then here this will be okay, leave room, and this is like the video. And this video display is used in maybe join. Which room do you want to join? And join video chat. And then handle submit, get participant token. Use Twilio video. And then default room. Ah, so we can actually do, yeah, we can have like a different room. I don't need, I think we don't need to worry about all of this. Maybe we'll pick like a unique room name, and then we will have that. Okay, start video on submit. And this is the video chat. Are they all like, what's the, okay, it's inside of room. Yeah, path room, room ID. Ah, okay. Okay, so we have this as like the video display. You give it the room name. And then the video display will use effect. So if there's no room ID, it will navigate back. If there's no token, it will navigate back to homepage. Okay, so I guess in homepage we need to also get the logic of generating the tokens, which is inside of join. And then join is, okay. Okay, let's first start with this join, and then, so instead of in here in components, let's have something, call it Twilio. And then let's have the first component, we call it join.js. Let's get all of this, and then we will do some cleanup. All right, so first thing first. For now, let's remove this whole logic, and then let's call this room something like hard coded. So we do, okay, cool room, or maybe, yeah, cool just room. Okay, and then get participant token room, which is room name, and then token. I don't know where this room name is coming from. Cool room. Ah, okay, so that's the room name, and then we use state set room, blah blah blah, use effect. Why we need to, okay, we need to navigate. Prevent device, get participant token. Okay, so we don't need probably we don't need this use effect for now. Yeah, and here we will get this participant identity and so on, and set identity. This is more about, okay, related to the route. User room something. And then I guess this one also we will use the location anyway. Just to get the full experience. All right. And okay, there we will like type the room name and then submit and join the room. Why is it complaining here? And some is declared, but its value never used. Why? I don't know, like. Okay, so I guess this one needs to live inside of this screen capture component. Yeah, I think it needs to live in here. And then the other component, which is video display. This is mostly active room, button, leave room, and then this is the video. And inside of pages, we have room, and then we will have this video display room ID. Then the rest is like inside of these hooks, which is this one that will add as many participants as we want. Connect to room, leave room. And I guess here is where we can create a local track. Right, local, yeah. And then local track. So there is where we can create screen track, and then yeah, that's where we can create this screen track and then attach it to our local track. Okay, this is getting a bit complicated here. Okay, let's go back to our pages here, and then this is like the room stuff. So here we can go to our user page, and then in here we can have this private route that will go to room and room ID. And this will be our video display. Video display. And then this will be also video display. that's that. I don't know if like our app is still even like working now. Dashboard still loading. So if I have like maybe, where is it? Room, like cool room. So yeah, this is like room. I mean, we're inside of user anyway, and then we want to display this video display. Yeah, okay. Still we didn't. Man. This is not that component that we want. We want a video Twilio. What? I didn't add the video yet. Video display. So this will be video display.js, and we have this code right there. And let's go back to our user page, and then this will be okay. Video display. Let's go back here. It's probably something that failed. Oh man. Ah, yeah. Okay, something failed. Cannot, okay, cannot resolve. Cannot resolve hooks. Use Twilio something inside of video display, I guess. Why? Yeah, hooks and then use Twilio. Let's see now. Okay, let's go to the dashboard again and go to room. Maybe cool room. Interesting. Dashboard. Let's try to log in. Oh yeah. It has. What do you mean, like by color? Which color is? Do you mean the colors for like the highlight? So room, cool room. It keeps redirecting me here, which is weird. If has term set and okay, I'll try your snippet real quick. And then yeah, probably. Let's see. I'm gonna have this maybe. Yeah, I mean, I have it here. But apparently it's not working. Yeah, it's the same. I don't know what's going on there, but could it be like a preference in okay, we will. Yeah, night. Yeah, I totally get your point. Especially like these colors, I don't think it's like they're pink, but I don't know colors. I have like night owl in here for my terminal, but what I have the JetBrain mono. Okay, something changed about. Then here was the Fiora node. Something changed. Oh no, that's the default profile. Okay, never mind. Is it like this? Do we need to change this somewhere else to somewhere else? So there's this xterm 256. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with these colors. Does this even like change some stuff? Yeah, I guess I will check it out at some point. Yeah, this is like it's very very weird, but yeah, you're right. Something wrong with these colors. They should be displayed much better, but I don't know. I'm no expert. I try my best, but I'll fix these colors at some point. Okay. So the private route here is logged in. So we just do the logged in and oh, thank you. Yeah, I appreciate the help. I do sometimes like few streams about like doing these weird setups with NVim and stuff. I did recently one. Yeah, it's nice always to geek about these things. Man, okay, so what do we have here? We have this private route with user /room /room ID, and then in here we will show this video display. So it's user dot slash room, and then we have this ID of cool room, but it's redirecting. I don't know why. Could it be like the join stuff is not? So the video display is okay. So if there's no room ID, it goes back to the home page. If there's no token, it goes back to the home page. So probably here we need to have like user. Yeah, at least like user, I don't know, user home or something. And I guess the join also needs to be added somewhere. Like, so this form will be also in the index page, right? Should be in the index page. Yep. Join, and then we give it the location. So maybe in the user capture right here, what we will do is I'm gonna remove all of this for now. Yeah. And I'm gonna remove this part because we don't need it for now, and then we will import this join. Yeah, I mean, I'm just like having fun. So I mean, views, I mean, they will come if people wanna have some if they wanna have some fun, they can join. Depends on the day of the week. Sometimes people feel like watching stuff. Sometimes it's, you know, they have a rough day and then they don't necessarily want to watch me struggle with code because probably they've been struggling with some code. So yeah, but thanks for the encouragement. So we'll have this join here, and then in this one we will get, okay, the location. And then let's go back to our screen capture screen. Screen capture. Oh, come on. Okay, didn't build, I think. There's still something failing. Can't resolve. Inside of join. Yeah, that's also expected. Because this one, I think it needs an extra. No, it's still failing. All right. Wow, we need definitely to style some of these stuff. Maybe here. Let's inspect this and then this input. And then do some styling. This input also. And So let's go back. Yeah, display name, maybe Gatsbyjs. And then maybe cool room or something. And let's also style the button, because Tailwind is just resetting everything and we need to apply styles. Yep, we'll have our lovely purple button again. Yep, and join. Okay, we'll ask for my web camera. Yep, and it's me like doing some video chat. Wow, it's much bigger. Okay, so yeah, all is good. And do we have like stop button somewhere? Leave room. Yep, and then I leave the room. Okay, so start or join, capture something. Yeah, I'm gonna I don't know if someone is still around, but oh hey, thanks for the following. All right, so we did this. We can actually join a room, which is this cool room, and then we're authenticated. Yes, like another one. No, sadly, I'm not a DJ, but yeah, I'm also like I happen to have the same name as that guy, but I'm a big fan of DJ Khaled. By the way, I'm a big fan. He's very, I don't know. I feel like he shares a lot of positivity and stuff. No, I can't. Okay. All right. So let's do this. I'm gonna. Yeah. So Twilio is. Let's see. Let's ask the internet what is Twilio. Twilio. So it's a set of communication APIs for like SMS, voice, video chat, and other stuff. So basically, they give you an idea. They give you an API that you can use to create chat apps or send SMSs or make phone calls without dealing with all that pain and setting up a lot of servers yourself. So it would be like calling few APIs like I did in here. And that will and they will handle like all the connections and these web RTCs and the protocols and everything. So you don't need to deal with that. So that's basically Twilio. All right. So like here, cool room. Maybe in this video display we could have it also like inside of something in here. And yeah. So yeah, let's look at the pricing. It's not, and then it's like pay as you go kind of platform. Let's see the pricing. It's like usage based pricing here. So voice, programmable voice is starting from at $0.0.085 per minute. Let's look at where is it? Chat is 0.03 per active user per month. So it's very, very, I mean, pretty much nothing. Videos It's starting at 0.0.015 per minute per participant. And then when you sign up for the trial version, you get like $15. And $15, that's like, oh my God, that's like another, like 1,000 users or something for a minute of chatting together. So it's quite, I mean, it's not expensive. Yeah, so they provide a lot of cool things for that. Yeah. So let's go. So right here we have wherever this form, and now we're like we need to style the surrounding stuff in here. And to do that, maybe in this video display, if it's active room, yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Anytime. So let's have some more styling for like leaving the room. And where is it? Yeah, in here I will probably go back to this user capture UI when I leave the room. And all right. If there's no room ID, I also need to navigate to user/user capture. So that's where we will have the stuff. And so that's that. And I guess in here we need to have more stuff from where is user capture. So we will need this, and this as a part of that. Where is it? Video display. And now we need to close this div. And we have another, I guess, div, so we need to close that also. All right, and then import the dashboard nav from I guess components dashboard nav. So let's see now if we're able to dashboard screen capture. Yep. So here we have like these stuff, and then we can leave the room. We can even like further style this stuff right here, and then is it dashboard? Screen capture. Let's fix that. It's not user capture. So here this will be screen capture, and this also. Yeah, so we go here, we have the chat stuff, and then we leave the room. All right, so I'm gonna So we have this chat. Now we need to have a way of, like when you join, we will add like a button called, so there's like leave room, and maybe here we can add a button called like share my screen or something like that. And then we can like share that screen and then attach it to the video. So let's leave this room here and get this button, copy it. And then here we can call it, okay, share screen. And here is share screen. What is going on with my button right here? Ah, okay, because it was... Okay, so we need to wrap this into like React fragments, I guess. Okay. Share screen is not defined, yeah, which we will define right now. Start video. Active room, start video, leave room. Where is it? We have this. Maybe this also should be inside of this use Twilio video hook. So right here, where is the start video? Start video, connect to room. Connect to the room. So active room, await, blah, blah, blah. A video, and then there's room. Where's the local? Okay, there's this local track. And then we have this element. Create local video track. Where is this? Which is from video track. Okay, let's go back to our... Yeah, you know what? I mean, it's actually just getting late right here, so I'm gonna just call it a day for this one. Let's see, are we all good? Yeah. Now we have like some chat around, and you can see here. And then I guess if I take this one and then open a different tab, I don't know why it it did. Okay, let's go to user. Weird. Let's go here. This is weird. Okay. Let's open a Cognito mode here and then refresh this one here. Share screen is not defined. What is going on with this? Where is it? Okay, so let's do, okay. Share screen is equal to a function. That's it. Okay, now no more complain. And now if we do this and then have it in here. Okay, so this is the user capture, and now, okay, cool room. We join this room, and this is me from this side, and here maybe 2, and then the cool room, and then join it from here. Yeah. And maybe you can hear my voice again. Yeah. Weird. Yeah, you can see this is like one user, and yeah, and then we can leave the room, and now I'm just by myself, and then I can leave the room here. Okay, I think that's good for today. Tomorrow we'll be adding, okay, maybe we stop the camera and then we share the screen with the code that we had before. And if some people will tune in, maybe we can have a collaborative session together already. Yeah. Thank you for watching and joining, and hope you learned something, and see you on the next stream.